So starting the test drive in the Ranger here, the 4-cylinder EcoBoost paired with a 10-speed has always been a pretty good accelerating truck. It's just, there could be, I think, a beefier powertrain, which I think we'll finally see with the upcoming Raptor. Actually, I think it's already out now, but yeah, with the Raptor, I feel like we'll get a better powertrain. I can't wait to test that out and just see how good it really is in terms of just power. But the 2.3, since the Ranger got its redesign before this one, it's just been a pretty good powertrain, and I feel like Toyota and GM kind of followed in their footsteps in terms of having the naturally aspirated 4 and the naturally aspirated 6, and just kind of going in that same direction, just getting the turbocharged 4-cylinder. Now, I've been in the normal drive mode. I'm gonna put it into sport, and I can already tell it's much more touchy from the gas pedal, which is really nice. I like how there's a big difference between your normal mode and then your sport mode. Now overall, I think the ride quality, now I'm only doing 40 miles per hour, but the ride quality here is very good. It's very solid. I drove the new Tacoma, and I did that in a different area, so I can't necessarily compare apples to apples, but this seems to ride a bit better than the Tacoma does, just in terms of the overall bounce factor, if you will. I feel like this is just a bit smoother. Yeah, just coming out of that red light, it was, yeah, this thing pulls so great. Gonna slow it down a little bit more and then give it one good one. All right, here we go. So was not flooring it by any means, probably maybe halfway foot to the floor. I don't even think it was that. And it wanted to squeal tires. It wanted to really go. Now, of course, I'm in sport mode, so not that much throttle response is needed to get it going, but it was still very impressive in terms of the pickup. Yeah, ride quality wise, I feel like this is better than the Tacoma, and it's about on par, I think, with the Colorado and Canyon. But I like the driver safety suite here. We do get the lane keeping assist, the cruise control, and of course you can get adaptive, I think, on the highest trim level. But all in all, a very impressive truck, I think, just to be under 43 grand, because you have 4-wheel drive, you have a pretty good powertrain setup, and you get all the amenities that you could want. And if you want a little bit more, just go on to the Lariat. So, great job, Ford. This will bring me to the end of my review of this new 2024 Ford Ranger XLT.